Hello and welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Choosing the Right MRE. In this video, we'll go over all the factors you should consider when selecting an MRE. Firstly, let's talk about the purpose of MREs. They are designed to provide a complete meal for military personnel, but they are also popular with hikers, campers, and anyone who wants a quick and convenient meal when they are on the go. The next thing to consider is the flavor and menu options. MREs come in a variety of flavors, and there are many different menus to choose from. Some MREs are better suited for specific activities or environments, so it's important to select one that matches your preferences and needs. Shelf life is another vital factor when selecting an MRE. Military-grade MREs are designed to last for many years, but the shelf life of civilian MREs may vary. So, be sure to check the expiry date before purchasing. The calorie content is also an important factor to consider when selecting an MRE. Depending on your level of activity and the length of your trip, you'll want to select an MRE with an appropriate calorie count to keep you fueled during your adventure. And that's it for our Beginner's Guide to Choosing the Right MRE. We hope that you found this video informative and that it'll help you make a well-informed decision when selecting an MRE for your next adventure.